Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to show you how to trim up runners. I took these from my strawberry towers. I have a lot of runners that just don't have space, so I just pull them off, drop them into this container, and then I'm going to trim them up and plant them. This is a great way to propagate your runners, get hundreds of dollars worth of strawberry plants for free. Process is pretty simple. So you're going to just pull the runners off. These are the long things that hang from strawberry plants, and we're going to trim them up. Since these don't have root systems, we don't want a lot of leaves on here until the root systems develop. So we're just trimming them down just like that. Leave one or two leaves. This is the crown. We're going to just press that right into the container mix. The container mix can be any potting mix. And again, you can see some of the roots forming here. This one was probably touching some earth. As soon as these touch moist soil, trim it down to one. They're going to root out and you're going to have plants next year. And just in case you're not familiar with what they look like, a runner just comes from the plant just like this, hangs down, and you can press these into the ground if you want, if you have space, into your container. But if you have these just hanging around, go ahead, grab them, and just cut them. And we would cut off probably these two big leaves. Any potting mix works, and you're just going to take the base of the crown and press it firmly into there. You can see how the roots start to come out. Press them in and press them in. Strawberries are really hardy. They can take temperatures really as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit, not for a prolonged period. Temperatures in the teens. Fall's a great time because it's cool. Press them in, the roots will set up. They can take 32-degree temperatures. They can take temperatures in the 20s. They're going to be perfectly fine. I'm here in Maryland, Zone 7. If we pan over here, there are 36 plants there that have already propagated, and I still have all of these to go. That's easily well over $100 worth of plants. In Maryland, the temperatures get into the 20s regularly through our January and February, even into the teens. I can leave these out. They're going to be perfectly fine. They will root out, and come spring, you can just transplant them. The runners have been trimmed up. There's over 60 plants here. Strawberry plants, you know, that are mature in this size easily cost you $3, $4. There's over $180 here. Great way to create plants for your plant sale or to fill up the rest of your garden. I like doing this in the fall because the temperatures are dropping. And again, we leave a couple of leaves because there's no root system. If it was summer, and runners do come out during the summer, and you do this, they dry out pretty easily. But fall is a great time. It's November here in Maryland. These will do what they need to do over November, December, establish. And again, like I said, in the spring, I'll come and plant them. What you want to do as soon as you do this is really soak them in. And you want to keep this moist. When the soil becomes a light brown on top, water them again. You can put these in a shadier area, but just keep them moist. Strawberry plants know what to do. This is how they're designed to root out. As soon as they touch the soil, they'll start going. But again, 60 plants, easily saving myself $180 if I decide to use these in the garden. And if I'm going to have a plant yard sale like I've been talking about, I've got something to sell. Please subscribe and follow me. I'll teach you how to save money in a garden and how to grow food. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com. And if you got runners left on your plants, certainly pot them up, save yourself some money. Thanks for watching.